Welcome back to my Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today is a hot chocolate fondant. It's just so delicious and Moorish and velvety, and I can't even say enough. And every now and again we can spoil ourselves. I have dark chocolate. I really recommend you use at least 60% cocoa. Butter. Now the butter and chocolate are melting. I'm gonna continue with the recipe. Sugar and eggs. Vanilla. Chocolate is ready now. And now we're going to add it to the egg and sugar mixture. Flour. You always have to butter the ramekin and dust it with some cocoa powder. And now it's ready for the oven. 12 minutes, that's all it takes. And now, just gonna turn it over. You can serve this as it is, or you can serve it with some summer berries, strawberries, or even a coulis. Recipe you'll find on my website. Heavenly.